got some super flash.
I'm actually one of the nastiest in my class. See, the man is in my mind be causing all of these casualties. I don't know why, but I notice every time you passing me, your jaws is always clenched like you chewing on sugar daddy. You sneak this and I'm bound to bash you in a casket. My sweet 16s ever sugar coated, tasting just like ash shit. Elite 8s in my final fours defeat, I'm never passing the mic. Let me look, I don't see you in my bracket, you faggot. I'm on some college shit while I'm in high school. I know I'm crack, I know I'm dope, homie, I'm the new drug dude. I'm the plug, hit me up, nigga, you know I got you. I know you wanna fuck with me, try something new like a dyke do. It's automatic like a Mac 10 when I spit 10s plus 6. I know you wanna peek at my tip like tat ass shirt with big ass tips. Me and my nigga Jesus double tapping your bitch like an Instagram pic. We stay getting fit off of running this shit.
Oh my god, it's Imperious.
Nah, it's Jesus not the prophet. Rockin' shit, I'm rockin' shit, I pocket out your pocket. Money make him devilish, always on his rebel shit. Rebelling, propelling, expelling, there's no telling who and what he'll discriminate. Limit, never seen him, heard he where the ceiling hang. Dang, where the ceiling hang? Yeah, but can that even make sense? Not really, but believe that I really make sense. Like really, who is this kid? What the hell he ought to do? Who he rockin' with, and what he rockin' to? And what shoes is he wearing next Thursday? I don't know, cause every day is a work day. Man, I swear I'm going crazy. Yeah, I swear I'm going crazy.
I'm a prophet, getting profit, drowning the air in my pocket, screaming, this is all I want. Mama telling me stop it, say I sound like a hooker. All I want is cash money, or fast money like hoes, giving that ass money, ski mask money. Rob a nigga, take his chain, dummy, shining like the sun on my block. That's a no-no, honey, sweeter than frosted Cheerios, frosted flakes. They sketched out, scratching their head like they got flakes.
It's the premises, wrecking shit with perfectionists. Picture perfect pussy in the face of the delegates. Politicians so washed and they soft too. My bitch blue like that young nigga Yondu. It's the guardians of the galaxy. Chief Mac, Herb Day, the calamity. Don't forget Goon, don't forget Jay. Don't forget I work blades like a sensei.
Respect us and I flip a shit like a penny going to a fountain shit. You racing off with your fucking mouth and I'ma take your life like a pink slip. Oh no, Earth had done gone violent. This beat is like a life's warning siren, so don't try. And I know you heard of us, Florida's murderers forever, bitch. And if you haven't heard it, now you heard of us. Y'all bitch lips with no chapsticks, I'm a real spitter like a freako. You the type that talk that shit, run away, but I found your ass like Nemo.
Nemo, Devo, bitch I'm on my stilo. Sticking to my ethics like I keep it on the D-Lo. Dino, every chump in the class, bumping the brass. Steel knuckle, something the grass, can you smell it? That's the great green forest. Savage while I ravage, I'ma eat all the porridge. And I heard Mike got an issue, addicted to the porn and the clumping of the tissues. But I ain't cracking, that's my dog though. Toss the bone, jump into the hot stove. And my crew, conclusion just ain't coming yet. One stroke, yeah I'm fucking coming man. It's a pity I'm third through a trilogy, but can't stir macaroni for the fifth of me. I'm the mailman, and I'm ready for delivery.